Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. NumPy is a powerful library in Python for numerical computing, and it provides a variety of tools for working with random numbers and probability distributions. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use NumPy to generate random numbers from different probability distributions, analyze them, and visualize the results. Getting started with NumPy. First, make sure you have NumPy installed. You can install it via pip if you haven't already. Importing libraries. In addition to NumPy, we will also use matplotlib for plotting. Let's start by importing the necessary libraries. Generating random numbers. NumPy provides a submodule called numpy.random that contains methods for generating random numbers from various probability distributions. Here are a few common distributions we can work with. 1 uniform distribution. 2 normal distribution, Gaussian. 3 binomial distribution. 4 poisson distribution. 1 uniform distribution. The uniform distribution is a distribution where all outcomes are equally likely. We can generate random numbers from a uniform distribution using numpy.random.uniform. 2 normal distribution. The normal distribution is a continuous probability distribution characterized by a bell-shaped curve. We can generate random numbers from a normal distribution using numpy.random.normal. 3 binomial distribution. The binomial distribution models the number of successes in a fixed number of independent Bernoulli trials. We can generate random numbers from a binomial distribution using numpy.random.binomial. 4 Poisson distribution. The Poisson distribution models the number of events in a fixed interval of time or space, given a known average rate of occurrence. We can generate random numbers from a Poisson distribution using numpy.random.poisson. Summary. In this tutorial, we covered how to generate random numbers from different probability distributions using NumPy, how to visualize these distributions using histograms. NumPy's random module is a powerful tool for simulating random processes and performing statistical analysis. You can explore even more distributions and options in the NumPy documentation, https://numpy.org/doc/stable/reference/random/index.html. Feel free to experiment with different parameters and distributions to see how they change the generated data.